In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates for Microsoft Outlook quickly and efficiently. Perfect for your 2025 digital toolkit. Let's dive right in and make your emailing game stronger and faster with Outlook's powerful feature for templates. First, open your browser and visit Outlook Web at https://outlook.office.com. Once there, you'll need to sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, it's time to get started on creating a new message. In the top left corner of your screen, you'll find a button labeled New Message. Click on it, and a new message window will pop open, ready for you to work your magic. Now, to access the template feature, direct your attention to the Compose window. Notice the three small dots at the bottom of the Email Compose panel. Click on these dots to reveal more options and then select My Templates. Once you've clicked that, a sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen, which is where you'll manage your email templates. To add a new template, look for the button labeled Plus Template. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter a title for your template. Choose something descriptive and easy to recognize, like Follow-up Email. This title will help you identify the template quickly whenever you need it in the future. Next, move on to the message body. Type in the content that you want as your standard communication. Make sure to include anything that you consistently use in your emails, such as greetings, sign-offs, or any key messages you frequently convey. Once you've crafted the email to your liking, press Save. This action will store your template right there in Outlook Web, and best of all, it syncs automatically with your account. This means you can access it from anywhere you log into Outlook, maintaining consistency across all your devices. Now, when you're ready to utilize this template, start composing another email, and just like before, open My Templates from the Compose window. This time, rather than creating, you'll select the Save template you wish to use. Clicking on your chosen template will instantly insert its content into the body of your message, saving you time and ensuring you maintain professionalism with minimal effort. A handy pro tip: you aren't locked into the templates you create. If there's ever a need to edit or delete a template, you can do so anytime right from the